Securian Financial is an insurance organization that does an annual conference. This year they're doing it in Rancho Palos Verdes at Terranea. And we were able to make contact with them. At each one of their conferences they do a good deed. And this year they're putting together 3,000 hygiene kits. And the South Bay Cities Council of Governments is very involved in homeless services. And we were able to work with them on helping them to assemble these 3,000 hygiene kits, which we're going to take and distribute to organizations throughout the South Bay that serve the homeless.
In the country, there's more than 500,000 people that are experiencing homelessness. And in Los Angeles County, we have a large number of 66,000 plus just in Los Angeles County. So it's a big problem for us. And even in the South Bay, we have almost 5,000 people.
We're really excited about the opportunity today to give back to Los Angeles County.
We can provide the people that don't have homes with a care kit of things like toothbrush, toothpaste, other items that they could take care of themselves, and something to help them freshen them up and get them ready for a productive day.
The pandemic's definitely taught us it's not just about physical health anymore. You also got to think about mental health, and so we're also trying to lift people's spirits.
When an outreach worker sees a homeless person on the street, very often it's very hard for that person to make contact. When we can offer a hygiene kit and let them know that we're there to provide them something, I think it helps us make that connection, and that leads to the ability to help them with other things.
It shows the rest of us what we can do. And so we don't have to just sit around and say, hey, what could we do? There's so many things that we could do for people that are less fortunate than us. Well, I just want to say thank you to them for doing this today.
1, 2, 3, cheer for Securian!